Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. As you can see, it's rainy. I'm really annoyed because it was so nice yesterday. It was sunny out and everything. It was like nice light jacket weather. And I was sitting at work. But then I wouldn't have known about the loss of the viewer until I got home. So I guess maybe it worked out. So anyway, what I want to do is I want to do a memorial burn for a viewer, Mr. A.K. Solomon, who never watched my videos or commented on them at least. Then I never saw his comments, so I don't know if he was even watching, but it got me to thinking about my valued viewers, basically you all. And so I thought I'd do a burn for him. Also for the friends that he left behind, you know, it was Ron T. Sawyer, Plain Old Chuck, and Cat in the North. There was 2 fires and the candle was burning for them. You know, sad news. It's never easy when you lose a friend or a family member, brother in this case, for them. So for that, and also I wanted to also include all my viewers too. So I got some Fatwood behind the camera. I gotta do a small fire because I gotta do it undercover because, like I said, the rain. I would have just set right there, but yeah, it's Fatwood, but I also don't want to stand in the rain while it burns. So let's get to it. Seems like a long time since I've had the manger out. This, of course, was made by Bruce at Fab Creations. Miss you, brother. So I'm trying to. I'm hoping I remember how to put it together. Like I said, it's been a while. So like I said, I'm going to do the plan is to do a small little burn because of where I am. I'm actually at the park today. I'll try to catch the shavings on the plastic here. It's a little windy too, so. Work on some of these off camera. Got the little Smith sharpener too. I haven't had this little guy out in a long time. And of course the wind's got to be rude and disrespectful and blowing all my shavings around. So, alright, like I said, tiny little burn. Because literally while I'm sitting here getting the wood ready, 2 cars went by. I got the Dominator out with my LT Right GNS. So, no one and done for me. Ow. Son of a... Damn it. The bottom plate slipped and everything. There we go. So it's really pretty windy today. So I was drenching that thing in sparks. Like I said, not a big burn because of the people here, but you know, I did what I could. See that wind being unfriendly. Alright, well, probably not the strongest showing, but like I said, you know, I'm at a covered park area, so you know, I can only do what I can. Anyway, I do appreciate you all. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate your comments. Thank you again, always, just for all the thoughts for my 10 year as well. And I'd also like to take my hat off to and show some appreciation for our veterans, from our recruits clear to our vets. 22 a day, no more. You know, I do thank you for your service, and I thank you all for watching again, and we'll catch you on the next one.